Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau. If this is your first time, I do product reviews, and today we're reviewing Eco Wish's sundress. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is what it looks like straight out of the bag. The fabric feels really nice. It's nice and soft. It's actually a little bit see-through, as you can see. Over here in the middle where it wraps around, there's actually a stretchy elastic band, as you can see, so that it gives it a little bit more cinch. On the bottom, there's like a little bit of a ruffle, and it kind of tapers and it kind of goes up a little bit. And over here is the hole for this to go through. But basically, it's just a wraparound dress. So, like this, and then you wrap it around. So let me just go ahead and actually try it on. So here is the dress, but basically it went through the hole, and then I just tied it up over here. Color is beautiful. The pattern is really nice over here and in the back as well. And I like that the sleeves aren't too tight either. There's some give there. So over here, so the little ruffles kind of go up, but you won't get exposed if it accidentally flips open either. Nice and ruffled as well. It's about like mid-thigh. And in general, just a really beautiful, nice sundress.